Compared to its American competitors, the Toyota Tundra approaches the full-size truck market differently. The twin-turbo V6, which comes in two tuning states including a hybrid version that we explore separately, has replaced the outgoing V8. There are basically two four-door cab sizes available from Toyota, medium and large. The exterior is completely composed of sculpted sheet metal. The Tundra appears to be comfortable with more modest ratings that should still please the majority of light-duty truck purchasers, rather than aiming for the highest towing and hauling ratings. The Tundra has some civility because to its coil-spring rear suspension, and it has good off-road prowess when you step off the tarmac thanks to a variety of off-road trims and upgrades. Even while the most recent Tundra cabin is far nicer than the previous model, particularly in the upscale upper grades, it still falls short of Ram and Ford's standards. Let me begin by breaking the terrible news: Toyota has decided to eliminate the Tundra's RWD off-road kit. Moreover, the angular solar octane paint job won't be brought back in 2025. Positively, the SR5 now comes equipped with a new TRD rally-style kit and an 8-way power-adjustable front seat as standard. A motorized tailgate is now standard on all trim levels above for the SR5. The 1794 edition features a distinctive engraved tailgate, while the Platinum and Capstone variants additionally feature massaging front seats. The 2025 Toyota Tundra ranges in price from $42,035 to $66,305, depending on the trim and options. With its 348 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine, the base Tundra SR is offered in both extended and crew cab, called Double Cab and Crew Max, respectively,